Okay, moving on to the 2023 set. This question says, define weak Bronsted-Lowry acid for 2 marks. Remember, whenever they ask you to define weak or strong acid, also define the acid bit in it, right? So what is an acid? It's a proton donor. So a weak Bronsted-Lowry acid, it's a proton donor. A weak Bronsted-Lowry acid is a proton donor, which weak means what? Which partially ionizes in an aqueous solution. So what I'm basically doing is I'm telling the examiner what acid part is, it's a proton donor, and weak part, which means it partially ionizes in an aqueous solution. And only then are you able to get 2 marks. And also understand that if you're a PSN at Excel student, I also do not agree with this definition. And I've taught you guys in live classes that if you take any other board other than Cambridge, they basically don't accept you writing which partially ionizes, because partially can also mean more than required. So what they do is they use this phrase that it's only very slightly ionizes, but Cambridge still sticks to the olden days definitions. So if you're a PSN at Excel student, if you write this, you'll not get a mark. You write only very slightly ionizes in an aqueous solution, because partially could mean more than very slightly, right? So that's one thing you need to keep an eye out for. But if you're a Cambridge student, it's absolutely correct to write partially ionizes. Done. 2023 set is over.